And so we'll take a look at some macros. The first macro that we'll take a look at is the name from inside of text. So you can see that we have all these building pads, and this would be part of the possible data prep process. And we want to be able to stake out these pads, or identify them out in the field on our controllers. So if I select this object and I look at the properties, you can see that it's not named. So I want to name it based on that lot 20. Now I could go through and individually pick on each one and name it. But that's where these macros come in handy, is that they speed up some of this workflow and process. So the one that we have here is called name from inside of text. So you select the lines in the text, and you can choose different selection options. In this case, I'm going to simply use the select by layer, where I'll pick the layer for the boundaries, and then I'm going to pick the layer that the text is on. You can see they're on separate layers. And I'll click close. And I'll click OK. And what that's going to do is now it's going to rename all these objects based on the property or the text. So you can see here, in this case, because it is a multi-line text, is that it actually puts in the coding and even both pieces of text. So it'll have the lot 20 plus, in this case, it'll have the square feet. So it depends on how you have the objects and how they're created. It is what it will use for the labeling. So you can see this one over here is lot 21, this one over here is lot 19. So it does rename them based on the text that's inside the closed object.